Today I'm going to teach you a simple experiment you can do at home with your kids. It doesn't require a lot of material and it's a pretty cool little thing you can build. You only need a couple batteries, some copper wire, and some strong magnets. They're called homopolar motors. They're basically just very simple electric motors. So let's have a look at how you make them and what they do. Here's the material I used: a basic screw, a couple batteries, some neodymium magnets you can pick up at a hardware store, wire cutters, and copper wire. Okay, for the first case, all I did was I took my 1.5 volt AA battery. I put 3 of the larger neodymium magnets on one side. Alright, next thing I took the screw. I put 2 of the smaller neodymium magnets at the end of the screw. Now you've magnetized the screw a little bit. So actually if you just put it at the end, it'll be attracted to the magnet. Alright, so that's actually not that interesting. Next thing you do is you take a copper wire and I'll connect one side and I'll just touch the edge of the magnet with it. Watch what happens. Look at how fast this starts to spin. It might be a little bit hard to see on the camera, but it's really cool. There you go. Look at that. Oh wow, this is so cool. Here I inserted a little card here so we can watch it spin a little bit better this time. Watch. Pretty neat. Okay, for the second motor, again, I'm going to start off with my smaller AA battery. And I got the 3 magnets at the lower end here. And what I did was I took my copper wire and I wrapped it around this D cell approximately 7 or 8 times. Okay, and what I did was just built a nice coil here. And the height of the coil is approximately the height of the battery here, if you can check it out. Now what I did at one side, on one end, you coil it up so it's a little bit smaller. Okay, and you make it such that the diameter here of the smaller coil end is just slightly bigger than the magnet that you have at the end of your battery. You'll see why in a minute. And for the top side of your coil, I just have a little straight segment here, and that's going to hit the positive terminal of the battery. So here, let me show you what it looks like next to the battery. Alright, so here's the coil I made. You can see the height. The height's a little bit bigger than the battery. See the end with the smaller diameter here. And then you can see the straight segment. And the straight segment's going to hit the positive terminal of the battery. Now watch what happens when you slide it over the battery. Now the wire will touch the magnets, and then the top part will touch the positive terminal. And there you go. There's a nice example of a homopolar motor. Now it stops after a while because it doesn't stay on the top terminal of the battery, but still you can get it spinning for quite a while if the coil's well balanced. One more time. Pretty cool.
PhysicsNinja.org